Yes, I found it.
Settle. Where is the... Hey, wait. Hey, wait. Where is the... Where is the matter?
Gentlemen of the press, today, about an hour ago, the Supreme Court revalidated our mandate in the election. It is a victory for the entire state. It's important for us to note that we need this victory to consolidate on the purpose of governance. We have had a few distractions here and there, and the good news that came to us this morning is a refreshing strength that will ginger us to continue the work of governance. But I have to say these few things in addition to the victory that we recorded today. First, I want to commend the President for his fatherly role on every issues that concern our state. Not just the crisis, but also this particular litigation that we just overcome. It will also be unfair for me not to appreciate the minister, my Oga. I want to say thank you for all their support. And I want everybody to realize that Rivers State will have a dream of making it a highly competitive state that will measure, if not up to Lagos, but close to Lagos. We can only achieve this in an atmosphere of peace. So I'm calling on everyone, not just our own internal issue, but also those other people from other parties. The issue is settled. Come and let's build that river state of our dream. For the millions of Rivers people that have shown solidarity internal crisis started, I want to assure you that our purpose for governance will not, for any reason, be deviated. We will continue to protect and provide the basic needs of governance to everyone who is doing business and who lives in Rivers State. We will address our state very soon on the victory, but for now, let's everybody be happy that one elephant is out of the room. The other one, by the special grace of God, will, by God willing and help, will be resolved, and the family will be one and one again. Thank you, and God bless you.
They don't give me physical.